Alright, good morning everyone. Special occasion today. My sister's actually come down from Queensland.
Morning.
Alright. Say hello to her YouTube channel, Fishing Warriors, up there with all her other family. Paige is down again, and we're just going to try some light stuff. Maybe try to get some brim. Hopefully some big brim and not snapper, because Sarah also doesn't like to catch little baby snapper. I'm on. Yeah. I'm wearing it. Oh yeah! Something new. You're around me. I'm coming in on you. Yeah. I've got a fish. That's our old favorites. That's our old favorites. Hey buddy. Another kelp fish. Haven't actually caught one of these in a very long time. Hey buddy. Oh good, you too, eh? Nice, nice. Yeah, are you on? You're on? Nice, good work. What you got? Snapper. Nice.
That's my biggest one I've ever caught.
Can't tell if he's a vegetarian or he was eating prawns. Good work. PB, eh?
So far, yes.
Nice.
Woohoo!
Look. Good work. Oh, come on. Take it already. On.
What do you think it is?
It's gonna be another snapper, I guarantee it. They always hang out in groups, the bastards. Yeah. Oh no, it's not.
Oh, what is it?
Oh, I think it's a leather jacket. It's a leather jacket.
Very nice.
Pretty sure, yeah, it's a baby leather jacket. How funny. Oh, there it is. See it just pop up?
Yep.
You know what? I'm gonna switch that barb. Calm your tits. I'm gonna help you. Is there water in there? There is. Right. See you, mate.